It's Daniel with Website Candy, and it's been a minute. So, if you guys haven't subscribed, if you haven't subscribed to me yet, you want to subscribe because I'm about to make a bunch of videos, okay? We are about to go back in with the Website Candy thing. All right. Make sure you like this video, make sure that you subscribe, share the video, and everything. But what I want to talk to you guys about today is Google my business. And I just discovered this. I'm like, wow, I didn't know this was the thing. So we spend a lot of time on our phones. Believe it or not, I get a report from Apple every Sunday. And the app that I'm on the most is my maps because I'm driving here, I'm driving there. And whether you realize it or not, when a person looks up a place, a business on their phone, 90% of the time they're going to go there, they're going to visit there. So why not have your business listed really well right here on Google Maps? As you can see right here, Website Candy, you can do all kind of different things like edit your profile. You can read reviews, messages. This is like a live chat, where you can chat with me live, and I'm gonna show you that in a minute. You can add photos. You can see your performance of your listing. You can advertise, and you can see right here they asking me to claim my credit for $500. Haven't done it yet. I'm still in the process of putting my website back together. So, Website Candy can be an amazing company like it was before. You can edit products, edit services, bookings. I have like, you can book me live right here on Google Maps. And then you can also ask questions. And that's what I really want you guys to do. I would love for you guys to come over to this channel, to come over to this page and ask me questions about web design, or one thing that we also do with Website Candy, the company, is we do social media posts. So if you put in pictures on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, whatever the case may be, video or photos, we can edit those for you. You can add updates and you can ask for reviews. If I've ever done anything digitally for you, if I've ever created anything for you, if you would come over and write a review and talked about the service that I provided for you, I would appreciate it. I only have one review right now, but as you can see right here, you can add photos. My phone number's listed, my hours of operation are listed right here as well, that I'm available. Ask questions right here. Come over here, ask me a question. It could be any question. Just hopefully it's within something about digital work or some type of creation that you may want, or just something you may want to know. Right here is information about my company. Here's different posts I've been putting on here, all kind of different things. So, that's a call to action. I'm looking for from you guys to subscribe, share with a friend, like this video, and come over and ask me a question in regards to, you know, your social media post or whatever. As you can see right here, that I've created like a quick little landing page in regards to Website Candy. I owned the domain years ago. I let it go. I went to go do other things. I started doing construction. I'm still doing construction, but I'm back in the web design space. So, because of the Google My Business, and just something I just think would be really great to do. You can come over, I can take a look at the website. You can see how fast we build websites. You can see about the company. This is just a temporary page until I actually build out the entire site. Every client that I work with, I try to create them some type of landing page to collect emails or start the process as far as business. So this is what I've done for myself. Right here, it talks about Google My Business. What I just showed you there, that was just a YouTube search that I created. Not a YouTube search, but a Google search that I created by just searching Website Candy. But I'm about to show it to you on Google Maps here in a moment. Right over here, you can also contact me. You can book me right here. Let me refresh that page because I was kind of playing around with that right there. But you can see where you can just book me right here as far as my time availability when it comes to, getting in touch with me and everything. My phone number, email address, physical location, and just, man, here it is. Website Candy is back in full effect, full swing. We're ready to go. And like I mentioned, a lot of those social media posts that you guys may be doing, I would like to do some of those for you guys as far as putting, you know, dressing up your images, helping you with your marketing for your business. If I go over here to Google Maps and I search website candy, which I've already done recently, right here, you can see where you can see the business right in here. Like I mentioned, this is a great space to occupy when Facebook and Twitter or X or whatever you want to call it is so cluttered nowadays, with so many different people advertising. This is 100% free. You don't have to pay for it. You can book me right here. Here's my calendar, my hours of operation right here. You can also put in here identifies as whatever, a black owned business, LGBTQ friendly. Here's different photos that I've been adding. Here's different posts that I've been adding, questions I've been adding, a review that I have there, all kind of great information. There's a lot of businesses out here that are unclaimed. Google yourself. Your business that you have could be unclaimed. I want to help you claim your business. I want to help you get all this stuff going right here within Google Maps and within your Google search. So, once again, when I just search website candy, this is one of the first things that pop up. At the very top, this space right here is unoccupied by anybody else, and then it starts to go into my other little links of different things that I've done on the web, and then once you get down here, you'll start to see other companies that are advertising pretty much the same thing that I'm doing as far as like web design or whatever the case may be. So once again, thanks for watching. Hopefully you subscribe. Hopefully you like the video. And once again, come over and let's have a quick little conversation and ask me a question when it comes to anything digital on the computer. I look forward to making more videos and connecting with you guys here in the future. And thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Goodbye now.